Cleaning. We are here in Paris today, and we are going to be hooking up the Aqua Pro. So what we're going to do is test the water first. I always turn the spigot on first just to make sure, and we're going to go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Right now it's reading 0 parts per million, and we want to clean this out, get this nice and clean, and then we're going to go ahead and check it. So right here we are at 0. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. We're going to go ahead and put this right in the water, and we are reading 465. 465. Pretty hard water, so we don't want to use a whole lot of water coming out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this bad boy up, and we're going to hook it to our Aqua Pro. Check it out, we got it all set up. So here we have the Aqua Pro, and as you guys can see, Susan, zoom on in. This is actually hooked up to our big tank here, going into these 2 tanks, and then now we have water coming out of here. I'm sure you guys can hear that. Take a look here real quick, but the water is being filled up right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check it, test it, and see what's coming out. All right, we're going to go ahead and turn this on, and this is showing right at 0 here. So we'll go ahead and check it and see. All right, have the water right here. We're at 0, and let's take a look. So we're at, looks like 9 coming in. 9, which is really, really good. It's below 10. So we want it at 0, but these are brand new tanks, so these are still flushing out, and they should be at 0 on my next run. But 9's not bad from 476, something that we got at the side of the customer's house. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys later. About ready to get up here and do some solar panels. See you guys on the next one. See ya.